Good morning, TexLa team. I'm meteorologist Richard McAllister with your TexLa Weather update for Friday, August 2nd. Current hazards include dangerous heat and river flooding. Today's forecast calls for mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with up to a 30% chance of light rain across portions of the Texas Panhandle and northern Texas, as well as northeastern and southeastern Louisiana. Tomorrow's forecast calls for partly to mostly cloudy skies with up to a 20% chance of light rain across portions of northern, central, and coastal Texas. Mostly cloudy becoming overcast skies later in the day with up to a 60% chance of light to moderate rain and a few thunderstorms across portions of southern Louisiana. Sunday's forecast calls for mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with up to a 20% chance of light rain across portions of central and coastal Texas. Mostly cloudy with up to a 40% chance of light rain across portions of southern Louisiana. There's up to a 2% risk of severe weather today and over the weekend across much of Texas and Louisiana. The primary threat is damaging straight-line winds from isolated afternoon thunderstorms. Tornadoes and hail are far less likely. There's a 5% risk of new flooding today in the northwestern corner of the Texas Panhandle. There's a 5% risk of new flooding Saturday in southeastern Louisiana. This morning, 3 river gauges are in flood stage, 1 river gauge is in action stage, 2 river gauges are rising, 13 are falling. There are 2 tropical waves in the Atlantic Basin. The westward wave, designated Invest 97L, is moving through the Caribbean toward the Gulf of Mexico and requires our vigilance. The system is located about 485 miles southeast of Miami, Florida. It's moving west-northwest at 17 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds of 23 miles per hour, gusting to 27 miles per hour in the front right quadrant. Seas are 5 to 7 feet. There is a 60% chance this system will become a named storm today or tomorrow. If it does, it will become Tropical Storm Debbie. Most models suggest the system will make landfall along the Florida Gulf Coast on Sunday or Monday. Model consensus is high and model confidence is moderate. However, all interest along the Gulf Coast should continue to monitor this system. I think the greater threat comes early next week as Debbie intensifies and develops along the Atlantic seaboard. Please subscribe to and like the TexLa Weather Update on YouTube. Search at TexLa Weather Solutions and turn on notifications. Or visit TexLaWeather.com and click on the subscribe button. I'll be at the Kerrville Business Expo tonight and tomorrow. Come on out to the Happy State Bank Expo Center and say hello. Otherwise, I'll see you back here on Monday for the next TexLa Weather Update.